In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up NordVPN Meshnet and manage your devices. By the end, your phones, laptops, and desktops will be able to see each other securely through NordVPN, which makes file sharing, gaming, and remote access much simpler. First, make sure the NordVPN app is installed on every device you want to use. Grab it from the official website or your device's app store so you're on the latest trusted version. Open the app on each device and log in using the same account. That shared account is what ties everything together, so double check you're not mixing accounts between devices. Keep the app running and, ideally, connected to the internet on all devices so they can discover one another quickly. Next, enable Meshnet. In the NordVPN app, look to the left-hand menu and open the Meshnet tab. You'll see a simple switch at the top. Turn that on. Meshnet establishes a secure private tunnel between your devices, and you might see a quick prompt asking for permission to manage network settings. Allow it so the feature can work properly. Repeat this on your other devices as needed so they're all Meshnet ready. Once Meshnet is on, your device is automatically linked through your account. You don't need to pair them manually. Each device gets a unique Nord name and a Meshnet IP address, which is how they recognize each other over the encrypted connection. This is normal and actually helpful because you can identify each device at a glance. If you're not seeing a device right away, give it a moment, make sure NordVPN is open, and confirm Meshnet is enabled there too. To access and manage a specific device, open the NordVPN app and go to Devices in Meshnet. Find the device you want, tap or click the three dots next to it, and choose Manage Device. This is your control panel for that device. Here you can view its Meshnet details, confirm the unique Nord name and IP, and review any options available for how it interacts with your other devices. It's a clean way to keep track of what's connected and ensure everything is organized. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep all apps updated so Meshnet features stay compatible across devices. If a device doesn't appear, toggle the Meshnet switch off and back on, or briefly restart the app. And remember, everything relies on the same account across devices. That's it. Install and log in, enable Meshnet, let your devices link automatically, then manage them from the Devices in Meshnet section. You're all set.